So, start off at the wheels.
Reactive Wheel Cleaner. So good.
Yeah.
pH neutral. Little goes a long way.
Yeah.
Little puff. Agitate. Blast off. The wheels will react. It will change colour. Safe for all wheel types. Fantastic product.
Gloss enhancement as well. Gives that lovely finish on the side of wheels
really
afterwards.
does.
Really, really like this. Available in 10 and a 33 kilogram drum as well.
Yeah. The trick with this is just to don't go gunning away, don't brush it on. A nice mist is what you want to be seeing with that product.
Yeah. Okay, James.
Steph?
First thing first,
Reactive
Wheel
Wheel.
Cleaner. That's what we'll do on this. Your wheels ain't that bad. You do look after yours. Decanted that.
Into this one. Double action trigger spray. I love the kneeling mats.
Yeah, I don't want to get wet knees.
No, I'm getting a bit old now, mate. I've got a dodgy knee.
Yeah.
So, let's go and play.
Let's go and do it, mate. Okay, James, so Reactive Wheel Cleaner. Do the front one. It's always the one with the heavy amount of brake dust.
Yeah, absolutely. But to be fair, these are pretty clean for a transit wheel. Now, again, mate, what we're going to do, double action. So we'll start at the bottom and then we'll work our way up the wheel. So the product will run into it.
Yep.
Into itself is always a better way of cleaning the wheel.
Yeah, makes sense.
Now, mate, I don't know about you, I'm going to give that a couple of minutes just to let it turn red, and I'm going to bring out a nice brush, give it a little agitation, and blast it off, move round.
One of the important things to mention with this as well is, which I quite like, we can use this down the paintwork.
Yeah, it's just a fallout remover at the end of the day, so if you want to put it on here, you're more than welcome. No panic, no worries, no stress.
Yeah, perfect. Right, let's give it a couple of minutes, do its thing.
Steph, we've given it a couple of minutes to react, and to be fair, there's a lot more brake dust on there than I thought there was, to be fair, mate.
That's what I like about these that react. It's because even though they look quite clean, obviously it's finding quite a lot that
It really has.
that needs to come off. So
what we'll start with is our wheel woolies we
Yep.
get from America by Braun. These are brilliant. We're just going to literally agitate all of the bits of the wheels. We can get in, we can do the backs of the barrels, we can do what we want. These things are great, man. You can't scratch anything with them. They've got a load of cleaning power. They fit in some brilliant places. They just work decent, mate.
I do good. I like the fact you can get them in a pack of 3 as well. So you've sort of got.
And we sell them singly, so if you're unsure, you know, you can almost bring your wheels down to our shop, go and try them for size, see what fits.
Yeah, definitely.
Now, at the front of these wheels, I love a Valet Pro brush, just to get in all of these bits, you know. Just makes it easy. It's almost painting by numbers now, mate.
Yeah, they are quite good for getting in around the nuts.
Look at that. They're chemical resistant. They're not going to last forever, but they do last a few months, that's for sure. Now, mate, I don't know about you, but that needs blasting off and we'll take that off with it.